Hi everyone, in this video let's understand the ideas section in detail. So this is where Taskbot helps you to capture and organize thoughts before they become actual tasks. In most businesses, ideas come from everywhere. Conversation, chat, sudden thoughts, but they often get lost or forgotten. This section ensures that never happens. At the top you can see a quick summary of how many tasks are created, how many votes they have, and how many suggestions they have. This gives you instant sense of engagement and helps to identify which ideas are gaining attention. Right below that, you have a quick input section where you can instantly drop an idea and then click on save, so your idea will be generated automatically. So further, the taskbot are organized into three sections. The first is Sketchpad, second is Open Floor, and the third is Team Room. So the Sketchpad is your private space. Any ideas you create here is visible only to you. It's perfect for rough thoughts, draft, or anything you're not ready to share yet. You can refine your thinking here before moving it forward. Next is Open Floor. This is where ideas are shared with the entire workspace. Anyone in the team can view, engage, vote, or add suggestion. This creates a collaborative environment where the best ideas naturally stand out. Then we have the team room. This section is for department specific ideas. Instead of sharing everything with everyone, you can keep ideas relevant to a particular team like marketing, sales, or operations. This keeps discussion focused and more actionable. Now looking at the individual area, each idea includes a title, short description, and a person who created it. You also have options to edit the idea or promote it. Promote is important because it allows you to convert an idea into actual task when you are ready to execute it. So instead of rewriting everything again, you can directly move from thinking to action. Now let's create an idea for a better understanding. From the top right, when we click on new idea, this gives a detailed input windows open where you can structure your thought properly. So let's take a practical example. Suppose I want to plan an engagement. So let's take a practical example. Suppose I want to plan a WhatsApp engagement campaign to increase user interaction. So in the main idea field, I will write launch a 15-day WhatsApp engagement campaign to improve user interaction. So you can see I've added the title and also the description. I can also AI expand it if I want to generate a description from the title. Then you can add tags like marketing, engagement, or WhatsApp. So this idea is easy to find later. So let's create one as marketing. Simply click on enter and the tag is created and saved. After that, I can assign it to a team member or even a specific department like marketing team. So let's do it. So let's keep it sales and marketing, and after that you can set how you want to auto convert the task. Let's say I don't want this idea to just sit here. I can set it to automatically convert into a task in 6 days. This ensures that even if I don't manually act on it, the system will push it to execution automatically. Then I can control visibility if I want it for only me to see it, if I want everyone in the workspace to see it, or I want any particular department to see it. So as I have selected sales and marketing, only the department of marketing team will see this idea. So once I configure everything, I will click on save idea, and that's it. Now the idea is properly captured, structured, and ready either for discussion, refinement, or execution. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.